If you struggle with not knowing what to sell online, then this is for you. I struggled when I was restarting this channel with what I was going to sell. How was I going to make money out of it? What is it that I'm offering to the people who come to this YouTube channel to be helped? And just that was a huge one for me. But I met my mentor, I found my mentor, and I learned the process of how you can use your skills, your expertise, and turn them into an offer that you can sell. It was a process that used AI plus a lot of input from me. I tweaked it and it worked, and now I help others to do the same. Now she has come up with basically a process, a workflow that is based on her books, her videos, her consulting expertise that helps you work through the process. And it is simply amazing. Let me show you. As you can see here from Arlan Hamilton, I don't know what to sell. That's what most people told me right before AuthorityXPro helped them figure it out and land their first sale. And this is really, really, this is a true claim. I have gone through this. You can, if this is still available, do your 24-hour pass, go in there and just respond to the questions. Now, the thing is, you have to be very, very specific when you're answering the questions and be very, very detailed. That's the only way it's really going to help you. All right. And the pricing is there's a weekly one, there's a monthly, and there's a yearly one. Just so you can just pay for the weekly and work on your offer until you get what you feel like, yeah, this is what I'm going to be selling. It's really a very easy process. When you do it with me, I will walk you through the process. We will use AI workflows plus your inputs. And I do that because for some people it can be a very emotionally taxing process. But for you, if you feel like, okay, I can do this, then go for it. Okay. There are obviously people that it has worked for, and soon I'm going to show you what it has done for me. So you can read all that. But for now, let me show you how it has worked for me. Okay, so I logged in today, maybe 2 hours ago, and I spent an hour just giving it what it was asking for. So I started with finding my zone of genius. So it asked me questions and I answered as specific as I could, and it came up with what it is I should be selling. Now I already knew this, but this time around it has brought in perspectives that I never thought about that are really, really, really helpful. Okay. So it tells me what my zone of genius is, coaching people to transform their values and life experience into financially thriving business using the power of YouTube. That's what it was. It told me what my unique edge is and the people that I should be reaching out to and how this is going to shape my offer and the contents, my marketing material. So this is really helpful. So I took that and I copied it to to this. Okay. Then I went to finding my next customer. If I'm to find a next customer within the next 24 hours, what should I do? So this is what I did. This is what it gave me, and it's a very viable strategy which I'm going to be using. Then I asked it, because I primarily use YouTube for my marketing, I asked it to update my YouTube description. And here it is. I know just what to put in there. It's very, very, very easy. And then, of course, I also asked it the pricing, which is the best pricing, and it gave me the best pricing, and it's very, very, very exciting for me. I had to leave a win for her to know. The win is that it clarified my offer in a way that resonates with me. This is who I really am. So I really feel confident going out and doing this, because not only has it been done on me, but I've now worked with several other people with them for this just to validate whether it really works, and it does. Okay, so if you are one of those who are struggling with knowing what to sell, let me get to, yeah. If you're one of those who are struggling with knowing what to sell, or you're figuring out, or why should people sell me, you go through this process. Using this, it's going to help you a lot. When you are in my coaching, I'll do the same process with you, but it will be me holding your hand, helping you to remove those mental blocks that you have. So whichever way that you prefer is good for me. You go for this. I'll put the link in the description, and yes, it is an affiliate link, but I am very confident this is going to help you with what you're struggling with, if this is the problem that you're struggling with. Okay, so get that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace to you.